Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, technology package, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, mirror memory. Come see the car for yourself.